Alexandra Jones. I've worked with Porters Cardiff, putting on events for the last year, and I got into this field by going to university, studying music business, going to gigs, being in the local scene, and then I worked on the bar at Porters, and then I got an opportunity to put on events. So day to day as an events promoter, I source and book artists, I communicate between graphic designers and artists, making sure that they like the artwork for the event. I rep the event, make sure everything goes well during sound check. I do the admin afterwards, so anyone who sends an invoice for their performance, I forward that to the accounts team. I sometimes work alongside organisations for collaborations and stuff, so it involves communicating back and forth with the venue, that kind of thing. I'm just like the middleman or woman. So my main tips for anyone who wants to get into event promotion, I would recommend, if you have a venue in mind, it would probably be good to try and work in the venue in a different capacity if you can. You can put on a lineup where the acts don't match at all if you want. You can have like silly decorations around the room. You can do whatever you want with it. That's the exciting part. As long as really take into consideration what the venue wants. Everything's kind of like venue specific. Be prepared for last minute lineup changes. Have like an idea if something were to go wrong. Maybe have a band in your back pocket. Another tip I would give is keep an eye on upcoming artists through playlists, radio stations, social media, local music magazines as well. Have your finger on the pulse, so to speak. Don't feel like you have to work in traditional ways of putting on events. You can collaborate with random organisations, you can think outside the box. Don't be afraid to take a risk now and then. Unless like you could be losing money and putting yourself in financial danger. Don't do that, I'm not encouraging that. I'm not sure if my path into being an events promoter is considered traditional. I did go to university to study music business, but I really don't think you need a degree to do what I do. Events promotion was a very, very small part of the degree, and I don't think we ever put on an event as part of the degree. The sorts of qualities I would say are needed to be an events promoter is organisation, be quite creative with your ideas. I would say people skills are really important too. Have good energy when people arrive at the venue, be friendly. Sometimes you have to be quite assertive, so you need confidence and the ability to kind of remind people that you're in charge sometimes if you have to. If you feel like you're lacking in any of those areas, don't panic, because yeah, you can hire people to do what you can't do basically. And yeah, I would say that's what you need to be an events promoter in my opinion.